Ni wirigiro bwakwa murithiri wa Meru TV tugekunitite na mbere boya iri Jumatano ya tariki 26 mweri wa 3 mwaka niyo 2025 kakwatwe ni kirinteto cia Meru TV muthenya mitawa Teri Babu na Rais William Ruto akiarekerere ngaro yawo tukubokira rware na wete imwe ya miradi ya thirikari ni aremi ukinyanira nonto Anthony General Justin Muturi atari na utia kiremwe ya miradi kana kiremwe ciangwe cia thirikari kuluki mutongeirio na wete kana na rombete Kenya bonde otonyakirire thirikari nikenda wete na mbere bwa kinya maturene Jeff Ogetuma Nation Kiluki.
I have said and I will repeat here that the government of Kenya is able to carry all of us from different backgrounds, from different communities, different religions. We can all fit in the government of Kenya. And nobody needs to walk out for somebody else to come in. Na kama kumekuwa na mtu mwenye ako na taswishi kwamba serikali ya Kenya inaweza kututosha sisi wote. Now we have a broad-based government. Everybody is here. Sasa tuko na watu kutoka kila mahali. Na bado haijajaa, iko sawa. It is okay. Hakuna. Nobody has had to leave for others to come in. We are all here. And that is the beauty of our nation. And that is the beauty of unity. And so, I want to encourage all of us here that we can do this together as Kenyans. Mumesema mambo ya Waqf, and I agree with you. It is it's taken too long. There is absolutely no reason. And I had a problem with the AG who was there. He was fairly incompetent, but I now have a very competent lady. I now have a very competent lady, and I can assure you that the issues of work will be sorted out in a matter of months. Our economy is doing well. The weather is responding well. We are making good progress with all the assignments that we have. And in the middle of many difficulties that are global and different other aspects, we are making progress as a nation. Continue to pray for Kenya and continue to pray for us. And let me ask for myself, continue to pray for me as president of this nation, so that I can know what is the will of God and I can do it.
Na tuta na mbere na nteto sietu akari na tori badaiso ya kianda kanuni Gembe South ni makuromba mbunge wa John Paul Mwirigi kubatondekera barabara cia Ntereu kulukene baurete thirikari ya kaunti ya Meru kubakira sibitari dhaiso. Mwandiki wetu wa nteto Murithi Waba ari na riboti.
Akari na turi bakuma Ntere cia Thaiconi ndene ya kanuni Gembe South ni baumirite na guteta nikira bakuga ati bo bati sibitari na irere akui iri kurwaja gundu ya kanuni aria bakuwe barangika muno gukinya sibitari iji rira bajitwe
sibitari bakuwe ne ithi kianda na cenjira igitango kete kogitango imalinya nando totona twenjera na kuinda airiga akwa mundu athicha akandekero topenikila akanywa akageta bunge akarema kubwaga iteburego bwo wakiringana na biki na kuimatanete na bana matwitacia twana na bana tuthicha kona lami ekaritani nitatua mabiri
antu baba Thaicho bakiaria ni baugite ati bone bakoromba thirikari ya Meru County nikende komba kubakiranyo sibitari imwe rutenero rwa Thaicho na nikende bakomba gutete kaira akui aria barombete maternity iria ina inya inene ya kwithura baina yo rutenero rwa Thaicho
aitho twenga ko cha gitu torigaate bori muno nondo akobwo twethura kinya mwakoro akathiria miaka 5 akathia tutamwona na gutebwa tutethia sibitari bwamba bakuga ndomba kuga cibitari ituke twake wera ibakube kenda kinya twana twetu twatu imwaki tukona abakubira nundu kuma ba mwanka cibitari ya thirikari iri Health Center kana kianda ikondo kuracha muno tuyomba kinya nundu anjira mwana inyaga acio no thinake
kariba bathaicũ bakiaria baugite bone betejanĩrĩtwe anene ikinya thirikari inene nundu bakwithura bo bationeka jakabari kiene barabara ciao kuthukanga
nondu na bathina turira nene ibarabara na njira cio kwiregwe yathitherio tutaramenya ethero noko tuthicha thire ingi tukona kwina mwaramu na bathagicho ithe tuimenya kinya mwaramu nimbi
ando kuma mekurege kuramba kura matakinya kono renge inyambunge atwatarire na getakinya ukathiothiete kankolo uthiete nyawasetio bikibiki na marinyane kuringana nthe mokite kono mayokana ngarira nini sikinya kono bikibiki sikinya kono moka matulela njira yake mongo kogwera mbere ngoramba isendie ya gweto tombe gotaranyo isendie ya thaiso tombe gotaranyo ikende tokomba kuona mbunge wetu kainya MCA wetu ikende tokomba tethuka twethagito lakini tuyona utethe kuma kithirikari no tuvurana kwa umo tukwamile tuwe wananchi kinyithi neromba ringi ngoromba ngavana utethe na roji rwa ndandu twina ndandu kindu raya tukwina ndandu ya cukuru ngeye gatauni obu ngeye gaitina cionthe ciathukire na tuyona tukwamile kabuthe kwa bono no chethira chena support kire ithwe
murithi wa banki ripotera Meru TV kuma ya mirigone ya Igembe Thaicũ Kanun
Iboya sana murithi wa bano ntobariboti na njira inkinyaniru na tutana mbere na nteto cietu komanda wa polisi county ya Tharaka Nithi Zacharias Ng'eno na kuyirite ati ngari ya OCS wa Magutuni ni aithiru ni antu batikumenyeka akeri na Meru TV ni wite ni betite na mbere kubwithio sonkoni nikenda bakamenya baraba aithirie ngari boni nyuma ya OCS ukorwa na nchobi ndege ni watho ntereu mwandiki wetu wa nteto Murimi wa Mbogo na wikira kirore
Kamanda wa polisi ndeni ya kaunti ya Tharaka Nithi Zacharias Ng'eno na kuyirite nkari ya kamanda wa polisi ndeni ya gituo kia polisi kia Magutuni ni habithirwe muntu atakumenyekana rukirirwa gukira muthenya wa igoro Jumatatu.
I also want to confirm that yesterday we received or we got a very disturbing information. The disturbing information is that the vehicle belonging to one of my staff, particularly to say the station commander of Magutuni police station, was set on fire by an unknown person. This was at the early hours of the morning, about 3 a.m.
Ng'eno akiuga bububu umanitie na murugamo munene wa kurwa na nchobi ndege iwatho ntere-inu cha Magutuni ara ugite kuri antu baguchugia kwenderia kamanda uyu wa polisi ugwaya keingo atiga kurwa na nchobi no ndege iwatho.
This I can say it is out of malice. The malice here that we can see or that is foreseen. I want to confirm that officer has been particularly particularly in the fight against illicit brews, and it is in record that such he has done a number of raids and a number of confiscations, and we have also succeeded in a good number of cases for conviction before court. Maybe that could be somebody's thing that he or she may intimidate the officer to scale down on his operations, but we are telling the person or the ill thinker that in fact he or she may be giving us more urge to tell the officer to proceed with his work.
Ara kinyaka anukitie rwaria ruraro kuthina mbere ndeni ya mitando ati munene uyu wa polisi na ringirwe transfer na kugo chunkuni bukurutho kingo kumenya no gwewe ngo abithirie nkari no.
Other than what the public or what is in social media that the officer was transferred, I don't know to where. Yes, he wants to seek sympathy. No, he's not yet even transferred by all means. And if the transfer comes, no officer will remain to stay because we don't choose where to work. The matter is still under investigation. It's still up to yesterday. A file has been opened and statements being recorded. We are hopeful that we'll get the culprit.
Kiripotera Meru TV kuma gicigo mbunge kia Maharambee ta murimi wa
ya murimi wa mbogo na akari kuma isio mbunge kia Southimenti nibomirite na kuashfond mwiti Kathara niwatongorete baraba kumeneria mirandi ikuretwo ni Daktari Shadrack Mwiti bariti ya nyuma ya mbunge kuate na kanya kosokaneria miario kamemene na ndubawe ba kisiasa. Jeff Ogituma no ina ripoti.
Nabo bamwe bakari kuma Southimenti ni baumirite gutetera mirandi nawe Daktari Shadrack Mwiti ya kuleta Southimenti na kinya kumeneria Asfond Mwiti Kathara uria bakuga kethirite akimeneria mirandi bakuretwa gicigo mbunge giki gia Southimenti.
Mheshimiwa Kathara ikara yakate on the ground na aria tire Mombasa akarire no nawe na ije mwigoki indi nakwijaja eja kauga igokire tarombwa igokire choini akuru miaka 25 na liangazetwa 2022 miaka 3 menya siasa te ira bwathitha ya school debate siasa imantu ya kwariria witi bwa mbere bo mugongo.
Bwana Kathara kuregita mugwati omwana ateruma gwaka na erwa boboe ogwa nande kugedia kwario u no kemenya ciekinya ntarekire beni tweterete ndio wa igoki division we mwana wegoki mutano babote kuthiria bwega
siasa imaendeleo lakini mone kinyagia mweka thukia mbuge Kathara natige kwenda gutonya siasa rujine rwa ithangune nontu atonye siasa rujine rwa ithangune kakethirwa akimiuragaga therefore duga nakare kuraja kethe siasa kwenda netere 2027
na kwou agaturingira ndagitari no to maendeleo ja najo mumiro uga mwekoro atiringa gwa kana kai mugongo thai akamateta maendeleo ja tujonthe itomwe kanya atutongererie
tera ndagitari atugitirite janduki mbithi itujonete sub county ithatu ndene mianka iri na tu na DCC ndene sub county chionde bado tukenera kingi tuikenera nuntu muyuthi wa sub county abogeta askari bejo thuro ageta ari athurwe wegoji etegoji wankwene na mitungu etenkwene
baumirite na kuga uju ntuku imwake nyuma ya mujumbe uju kuonekana kiri gicigo mbunge giki aria kiri rwaria rwawe araugire we atithira gicokaniria na pinzani bawe bagiciasa kamemene
kuniteta gucokia biuria kamemene kena antu baigua abo kona na mea
Nkiripotera Meru TV mbita Jeff Ogituma.
Na riboti ya Jeff Ogituma hiyo tukinyithia muthia yo nteto cietu katho cia mwanya kiri barabonde bombo kinyanithia nteto cia Meru TV muthenya ngakwendera kaita kathongi kaujuri ni thari mobia murungu mwenenya bita wa Teri Mbabu.